Remote control lawn mowers are transforming landscaping and agricultural maintenance by offering safer, more efficient, and less labor-intensive grass-cutting solutions. In this video, we review 5 powerful remote-controlled lawn mowers featuring crawler tracks, self-propelled systems, gas or diesel engines, and advanced robotic mowing technology designed for professional and commercial use. Number 5. Commercial Crawler Automatic Grass Cutter. Built for commercial mowing operations, this compact crawler lawn mower features a durable 4-stroke engine and automatic remote control functionality. Its simple yet effective design enables efficient maintenance of large properties, industrial sites, and agricultural fields. The tracked platform ensures excellent traction on uneven terrain, while the remote control system allows operators to work safely and comfortably from a distance. Number 4. Agricultural Flail Lawn Mower Robot. This advanced agricultural flail mower combines remote control convenience with heavy-duty vegetation management capabilities. Certified to EPA and CE standards, it is designed for clearing dense grass, brush, and weeds in demanding environments. The flail cutting system provides efficient coverage and durability, while cordless remote operation improves safety and accessibility when working in difficult or hazardous areas. Number 3. Euro 5 Crawler Automated Lawn Mower. Featuring a modern Euro 5 compliant engine, this remote-controlled crawler mower delivers strong performance while maintaining improved efficiency. Its self-propelled design allows easy navigation across difficult landscapes, including hillsides and rough terrain. Built for professional landscaping and agricultural maintenance, it offers reliable operation, precise cutting performance and reduced operator fatigue through advanced remote control functionality. Number 2. Diesel Crawler Remote Control Grass Cutter. Designed for challenging terrain, this diesel-powered crawler lawn mower features robust tracked mobility and remote control operation. The powerful diesel engine provides excellent torque for cutting thick grass, weeds, and vegetation on slopes or uneven ground. Its crawler design enhances stability and traction, making it suitable for agricultural, industrial, and large-scale landscaping applications where traditional mowers may struggle. Number 1. Professional Remote Control Wheeled Lawn Mower. This professional-grade remote control lawn mower combines powerful gas engine performance with self-propelled operation for efficient grass cutting. Its wheeled design offers excellent maneuverability across large lawns, farms, and landscaped properties. The remote control functionality improves operator safety while reducing physical effort. Built for demanding applications, it delivers reliable performance and precise cutting for both. These 5 remote control lawn mowers offer powerful solutions for landscaping, agriculture, and commercial vegetation management. Featuring crawler tracks, self-propelled operation, diesel and gasoline engines, and advanced remote control technology, they improve safety, efficiency, and productivity while handling demanding grass-cutting tasks with ease.